Hi friends, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So this is all about how to recover my car EMI through one of the option strategy. Alright guys, this video is all about my car EMI option strategy. I got this idea from one of the follower in Twitter saying that, see, when you have deployed that trade, right, so you just name the strategy as car EMI, so you can just put it as your home EMI or your anything personal loan EMI. But before that guys, you should have the view of the market. Any strategy, be it any strategy, directional, non-directional, you should have the view of the market. You should have the adjustment skills. You should have the contra or the edge for your primary trade, which I'll tell you each and everything. And then be prepared for black swan events. Okay, be prepared just in case tomorrow, the moment you deploy the trade, tomorrow if there is a black swan event, you have to be like prepared. But I have the plan ready for this also. So this is the way guys, I mean, you need to trade. Even you should be prepared for the black swan event. You should have one of the strategy with you which should benefit you, or at least log the loss in case if there is a black swan event. I'll tell you how. And then you need to have patience, and this is all about hero or zero strategy. And end of the day guys, this is just for the learning. I'm not giving any recommendations or even any tips. Okay, so let me take you to this thing. So if you look at the Twitter, right, this is my Twitter account guys. You have the Twitter account in the below description, in the same video. You go and you can just follow me. So on 9th of, if you look at this thing, right, yeah, 9th of June, I said my new car. So I bought my new car. That's it, full of excitement. Focus will be now to cover the EMI. So my EMI is 35,000 per month guys. Okay, let me show you my car also, just in case if someone is like very what do we say, right, many of the friends, they said that they like this is Tata Harrier, right, one of my favorite car. And then what did I say? I said I've just deployed a trade. Okay, let me show you this here. I said already I've deployed a trade for my July expiry guys, right? This is the trade. What I've deployed is for the July month. On 9th of June, I've deployed a put debit spread. I've done my all my price action technical analysis. Okay, somehow my view is bearish, but let me show you why. I said my view is bearish guys. This is my price action. I just do it on based on the trend lines. I do not use a single indicator, right? In case if someone wants to explore my price action, if someone wants to join my paid mentorship program guys, you will have the entire description in the below video. You can just check out, and if you feel if it is worth, you can join. Okay, so let's jump back to this thing. So why am I bearish about the market is, okay, let me zoom this out. All right guys, so this is forming a sort of, so forget about all these things. Now this is forming a sort of parallel channel, meaning since from last 70 days guys, maybe let me show you from this year, right, since from last almost like 46 days guys, since from last 50 days, bank nifty is sideways. So what happens is like, whenever you have this consolidation phase, whenever you have this such a big consolidation phase, it can be a breakout, it can have a wild breakout or a wild breakdown. But my view is bearish just because it has given almost one-sided movement of almost 15% guys. So correction is required. I might be right, I might be wrong. This is just for the learning. So what I'm expecting is like maybe a sort of correction is required. So maybe this will be like sideways for a few weeks, or else it will come down. That might take the support. So my view was bearish guys. That's it. Now you will learn something new. Even though if the bank nifty goes up, how you will be able to recover your loss, or how will you be able to get at least cover your email. Okay, so now I'll right away take you to my Twitter. So this is what I've just deployed guys. My maximum loss is 20,000 and my maximum profit is up to 54,000. This was a typical debit spread, okay, on 9th of June. So now let me show you how my trade looks like guys. The same trade, check 313. Okay, where is that? Did it change basically? Wow, 1 second guys, 1 second. 352, this is for 27 July. Okay, 352 491, same, right? 352 491, right? So now let me take you to the same trade. I've not done any of the adjustments. So as on today, check this, 20,000 maximum loss and 54,000 maximum profit. All right, this is for 27th July. I've told you, right, I've taken this trade. Just I have the bearish view of bank nifty. Forget about bearish view. I'll tell you, like, even if it is like sideways or okay, let's focus on the content. So now what I'm planning to do is like guys, today is what? Today is 23rd. So today is 23rd. I've deployed this trade for 27th July. So almost I have more than 1 month. So now I have a profit of 4,545. Okay, there is a profit and loss table, sorry, graph. Right. So now what I'll try to do is like just in case these are 10 lots, guys. I've taken 10 lots, I've taken 10 lots. Now what if I convert this to, see, my capital required is only 1,57,000, guys. Original capital required for the debit spread was 1,57,000. Guys, 1 second, someone at my door. And then the moment I convert the debit spread to ratio spread. That's it. I'm just converting my debit spread to ratio spread by selling 41,500. So my loss has become almost 6,923. Point number one. Second thing is like my loss will start, see, Monday, right? At Monday, let me show you, Monday at 9:15 a.m. because today is Friday, I'm just doing this at 9:15 a.m. My loss will start from almost like I have the safety of 2.73%. So even if you take like 3%, so my loss will start only when the bank nifty opens gap down by 3%. Technically possible, yes, but 3% my loss will start. What did I say? My loss will start. I'm not telling that if bank nifty gaps down by 3%, I'll be like at a huge loss. No, my loss will start. Point number one. Second thing, check your break even. Your break even is only 0.4%. Your profit will start from 0.4%. What is your loss here? Your loss is only 6,923. In case if the market keeps going up, I can make this loss zero because I have another 30 days. Guys, if you did not understand the video, pause the video and see all these graphs. See, I have a safety of almost 6%, guys. I have a safety of almost 6%. Okay, so if you think that bank nifty can fall by 6%, then I'll show you how to edge this strategy. How to edge this strategy. But now I've told you, right, my break even is 0.4%, 0.04%. Check this. 0.04%. If bank nifty opens 3% gap down, my loss will start. I have the option of doing all the adjustments what I have learned, and I have a safety of almost 6%. 6% is huge. Okay, and then let me show you what all things can happen, guys. See, in case if I just do it by 5 lots, this is how. See, check the blue line. Now my blue line safety, my if at all I'm just doing by 5 lots, my original is 10 lots. This is the way you have to bend the blue line. Okay, now my loss will start only if the market makes a downside movement of 5%, 5.4%. Right, if you are concerned about market saying that it can open 6%, 5%, just sell only 5 lots of PE. Check the blue line. If I make this 10, check the blue line. The blue line safety will decrease. It's up to you. Check this profit. With this 10 lots, my profit is up to 68,000. With 5 lots, boss, this is very, very important for you to understand. Though your profit has reduced, but check the blue line. Your loss will start only when the market gives the breakdown of 5.32%. It's up to you, but your loss will increase here from 6,000. It will increase to 30. So ideally, what I'll do is like I'll just do this one. That's it. Or else I can go for 5. I've not done that adjustment, guys. I've not done that adjustments. I'll be doing it on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I have 30 days, guys. I have another 30 days. That's what, right? When I started the video, what did I say? You need to have patience. It's a sort of hero or zero strategy. Now I'll discuss each and everything, guys. If at all you're skipping this video, you're missing something. Okay, now what I'll do, right? So this is what I've shown you. Okay, now profit is 68,000, guys, up to 10%. Do I need 10%? What I need only 5% profit. 35,000 is my EMI. Try to understand, guys. This will definitely increase your margin, but if at all you can manage, see what I need, guys, what I need is like 1.43% downside will give me almost 54,000 profit on a capital of 1,57,000, so which is almost like 26,000. But what did I say? If the market keeps going up unnecessarily, I'll be falling into this loss. So for that reason, to mitigate this loss, to reduce this loss from 20,000 to 6,000, what I've done, I've just converted my debit spread to ratio spread. That's it. Now my loss is 6,000. Slowly I can reduce the loss. Now what did I say, guys, here? What did I say? Now, let me show you everything, right? Then you will be able to understand. Today I've just 1 second, somewhere I've mentioned okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, uh, Where is that? Okay. Okay, one second. Sorry, guys. Where is that? Okay, let me go to my profile. My bad. Sorry. Okay, so this is what I've said, right? This one, my car loan. Okay, current status, same thing. My car loan current status. Today I've posted this. I said the same thing. The break even is 0.4%. It can sustain the gap down of 3%. It has a downside range of 6%. Max loss on the C side is almost zero. I said almost zero. I can make it zero. Already captured 10k. So guys, this is very important. I've already captured 10k with a contra trade. What did I say? Try to understand. I said you need to have a contra trade. So what I've done is, like, let me take you to my this one, my what do we say, zero the M stock account, right? If you look at this, see, let's say I'll do this is my, so let me refresh, guys. Let me refresh so that you'll at least believe that okay, this is my real trade. Okay, what I'll try to do, I'll just go to custom. This is my M stock right from ninth. Okay, from ninth till date. If you look at this, I made almost 11,000. How did I get this 11,000? Check the banking stocks. I have deployed Bank of Baroda, SDFC, right? SRF. If you look at the profit, 3,000, 3,000, and what is this? SRF 2,000. So almost I made 10 to 11,000 with my contra, because Nifty, when Bank Nifty was going, see, when the Bank Nifty goes, see, try to understand, guys. Okay, let me show you. Try to understand. I have deployed a put debit spread, right? I have deployed a put debit spread. Okay, market was standing here. When the market goes up, okay, so I have just deployed this trade, Bank of Baroda, SDFC, and SRF. This is last 7 to 8 days. Last, I mean, right from the deployment of my car EMI strategy. So technically, I made almost 11,000, guys. Technically, I made 11,000, even the bank nifty was going against me, right? It went up. I have captured this 11,000. What happens? Market goes up and again it comes down. I showed it again? It took the u-turn. Now the market is standing somewhere here. So when this took the u-turn, already I booked 11,000. This is my book profit. And when this took u-turn, okay, let me show you this u-turn. I am in profit in my this trade, right? It is giving me almost 4,554. So technically I've covered 15,000, right? If I would have booked this profit, it would have been 15, but I'll not book this profit. So slowly what I'll do, I want market to slowly come down, now let me tell you one thing, guys. Now you check the beauty of this trade, right? What is this? So from 41,500, check the block box, from 41,500 till 43,000. So almost how much, guys? 42,000, almost like 1,500 points, right? 1,500 points. You have the potential to get this maximum profit. Do you think for bank nifty, is it 1,500 points is not a big one, big range? See, from this range to this range you will get your max profit, this one. All right, which is huge. 1,500 points is huge. And from this to this thing you will get minimum profit. From this to this thing you will get minimum profit. But just in case, if someone says, what if market gaps down? I know, even, see, this is zero. If market goes above, I'll make this zero. Simple, right? What I have to do, guys, what I have to do, so I'll just keep booking the profit. If the market is going up, your put will give you profit, right? Ideally book this and just go to 42,000. The moment you go to 42,000, this loss will become 3,000. Even if the market is going up, again book this, again do the, I mean, see, I can discuss n number of adjustments, but I cannot discuss each and everything in this video, right? Got it, right? So this 1,500 points is a huge for someone to get maximum profit. My car EMI is only 35,000, but I'll be getting 68,000. But guys, this is just for the learning purpose. And now I've told you, right? Already I made 11,000 profit with my E margin. That's called the contra, right? You have to understand, guys. If someone is watching my video for the first time, go to the below description and you see that's what I do. So that's what I said, right? This is called contra, or a sort of edge. Meaning what happens is, like, when the market goes up, my swing trading will give me profit. I'll book the profit, and if the market keeps coming down, my options will give me the profit. Or else my options loss will be mitigated, the loss will become zero, but I've captured this momentum. And next time what happens, again, if the market keeps going up, right, my swing trading will be giving profit. But again, if this comes down, my what do we say, the FNO stock will be giving the profit. See, it's not complicated, but if at all you're watching my video, this will become more easy. And now what is this for? Be prepared for black swan events. See, guys, I'll tell you one magic, right? Any given day, what happens is like whenever I trade, see, whenever I trade any, what do we say? One second, guys. Let me delete this thing. Okay, let me delete each and everything. Now, if at all you think that market can gap down by 3%, gap down by 4%, right? First of all, I mean, we have to trade based on the probability. Yes, on paper it is feasible, but how many times it has happened? But still, if you are concerned, guys, if you are concerned, so what you can do is like, let me uncheck all these things. Let me uncheck all these things. I'll show you one magic. Okay, go to this thing, ready-made trades. One second, guys. Go to ready-made trades, and there is something called what is that? Yeah, put this one. So what I'll try to do is like, what I'll try to, one second, guys. I mean, I'm just telling you something very, very right. I'll not go for this month. Basically, what I'll do, okay, let me again go 29th July, right? So 27th July, right? So let's go for 27th July, and let me deploy a put back ratio spread. Okay, let me show you what happens is, guys, let me show you. Okay, so this requires, now don't blindly go and play. So if at all I deploy this will take only 16,000 of your capital. Okay, now what I'll try to do is like, okay, this looks okay, let me take it to the this thing, right? This takes only 17,000 of profit. So let's say I'm just going by 10 lots. Simple, right? This is taking only 1,76,000. Point number one. Now, just in case, let's say if this goes 3% gap down, right, this trade will give you 63,000 profit, guys. This trade will give you almost like 56,000 profit. And what loss you will be getting with this thing? Okay, now again, see, you know, right, initially I've said, I cannot show you again this one. Okay, what was that? I mean, see, now you have to just pause, rewind the video. So in case if 3% gap down, at least your loss, your profit will be 57,640. And I'm not sure whether in your primary trade you'll be getting loss or profit, but at least you're able to log the loss. Let's say 6% gap down, 7% gap zone, 8% gap. This is what I'll be like answering to those traders who will write the comment saying that what if the market opens 10% gap down, 6% gap down. This is what, guys. And what if the market goes up? Right now you have to manage this trade, right? If it keeps, now don't say again what if the market keeps going up, right? The same people will ask, what if the market keeps going up? What if the market keeps coming down? What if market has like 6%, 7%, what do we say, gap down? Just imagine, guys, 8% gap down will give you 3 lakhs profit. But what loss you will be getting in your primary trade? So forget about profit. At least I'm telling that you can have a piece of night sleep. That's it. This will give you huge profit because this is a Vega positive trade. The more the market falls, this is, what is this? This is Vega positive trade. Let me show you. This is Vega positive, right? Where is that? Sort of option buying, right? You have, what do we say? So I'm not sure whether this is, I mean, at times even I get, so sort of Vega positive, right? This is -6, that's it. This is not a negative, this is not a credit strategy basically. So whenever the VIX falls, whenever the VIX rises, right, your buy premium will increase like anything. This buy premium, because this is huge, right? You have given 516. Okay, see, if at all I start discussing about all these strategies, the video length will become easy. So what am I telling is like, I've just proved you, right? In case if you are aware, concerned about the black swan events, I have the plan ready. I mean, every time whenever I have some naked strategies, I have my some of the strategy. It could be back ratio spread, or it could be a option buy. Who knows? I mean, let me delete this. That's it. My loss is how much, guys? My loss is like, see, now I'll not be going with 20 lots. Okay, let me make it to 10. Simple. Okay, even this is huge, 47,000. Let me make it to 3. That's it, right? Your loss is anyways 14,000, but just in case if it goes by 6%, you will be getting with almost like 74,000. So loss of your primary trade will be mitigated. Sorry, guys, I've just what do we say, uh, trying to cover all these points. So now, if at all you think that, right, I mean, this is the ideal trade. Okay, so this is for my car EMI. So tomorrow I might get with 68,000 profit, or else I might get with 35,000 profit, or else it could be cost to cost. I cannot say. This is because I have my black swan event strategies ready with me. or else I can get cost to cost. That's it. It's a either or zero strategy. Got it? What do you say? View of the market is must. You should have the adjustment skills. I cannot teach you all the adjustment skills right now. You just go to the below description of the video. You have the demo videos, 14 to 15 demo videos. If you feel that this is like unique content, you can just enroll for my, it's a very priced at a nominal price, right? You can just enroll for my paid mentorship program. You will get huge content. And then what did I say? Be prepared for Black Swan event. But we have the plan ready for the Black Swan events also. And then you need the patience, and it's a sort of either or zero strategy. Simple. Maybe this month I would not end up getting, right? Even if I get this profit, let's say I might be like do this thing. Even let's say I've shown you like this one. Even this is the same thing, right? If I get 68,000, so technically I'm getting 2 months of EMI. So let's say this time the bank nifty keeps going up. Let's say the bank nifty keeps going up. I have my swing trades. I have my contra trades. If this goes up, I have my other SDFC, all these things, right? Already I've captured 11,000 there. And maybe even if I capture like another 15,000, done, right? At least I've covered 25,000. Maybe next time again I'll deploy a trade. So if I'm able to capture this profit, so within 2 months I'm able to capture 3 months. So it is a hero or zero strategy, guys. That's it. I mean, sorry if the video length has become what do we say, lengthy, but smart traders might have got what I meant to say. All right, at least it makes sense to give it a thumbs up, guys. I mean, all my videos are single take videos. I do not do any sort of what do we say, editings and everything, right? So at least if you feel like this has something to do, right, just give me a like. And you can do this, guys. You can do this, right? What I meant to say is like yes, you can do this. It can be your car loan EMI, it can be your personal loan EMI, it can be your home loan, but you need to do that activity. If 35,000 is my car EMI, you cannot get 35,000 with a capital of 1 lakh. Now you have to ask that question to yourself: what potential what potential returns I can get it from the market based on the past history. So based on, let's say you have the potential to get 2% per month, 3% per month, 4% per month. Based on that, you have to decide your capital, but not based on the EMI, right? You have to decide the capital. First ask that question to yourself: what potential return I can get it from market based on past 2 years, past 1 year, past 10 months consistently. Based on that, you have to decide your capital. And if you do not have the adjustment skills, if you do not know what is this contra, what is this edge, how to deploy this strategy for Black Swan event, how to make it hero or zero strategy, you cannot do it, right? Anyways, I'll keep you all posted on my car EMI. Let's see if I am some, if I see already I've been okay. Let me show you one more thing, right? This is what I do, guys. Okay, let me show you my M stock. This is how I do. So if you look at the last 30 days, okay, if you look at the last 30 days, if I go to last 30 days, okay, if I click on this thing, that's it. I made 80,000. 45,000 is my home loan. That's it. I made 80,000. So if I make another, even if I say that I have covered my home loan plus car loan, this is separate account. This is for my swing trading. Check this, guys. All these are emergent. You will not see. Maybe this is only red color. The second one is red color. Smaller losses, 35 rupees loss, 824. But check, I'll just keep on scrolling. These are all my emerging trades. But this is the way I do the trading, right? Price action is must. So last 30 days, I made almost like 80,000. If you want to see this year from March 1st, from April 1st till date, I made almost like 2 lakhs. Okay, so this is what on a capital of, this is not a big capital, guys. This is just 3 lakhs capital account. This is what I keep on sharing with my paid mentor students. That's it. This is my small account. So with 3 lakhs, I've made almost like 2.5 lakhs in a span of 4 months. So now you calculate. I'm not giving you any holy grail, right? This is backed up by price action, my course plus data driven approach, right? Data driven approach plus with my contra. That's it, guys. This is what you have to do, right? Play contra, right? Forget about, even if market going up, market coming down, we have two strategies. If market goes up, my every time I go with 1:3. That's it, right? 1:3 rest to reward. If market goes up, I'll get 3 rupees profit, I lose only 1 rupee. If market comes down, even this is 1:3, simple, right? If market comes down, I'll get 3 rupees profit, I lose only 1 rupee in this trade, right? Technically I am at profit at 2 rupees. Forget about 2 rupees, even my capital is saved intact. Alright guys, thank you.